Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Sopas Panlasang Pinoy, a beloved Filipino comfort food. We will start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, ensuring you have everything ready for a smooth cooking process. This hearty chicken macaroni soup is perfect for any weather, offering warmth and deliciousness in every spoonful. Pay close attention to the measurements for the best results, especially for the chicken, macaroni, and milk. Let's get started on this delightful culinary journey. First, we will sauté the aromatics like garlic and onions until fragrant, which builds the flavor base. Then, add the chicken pieces and cook them until they turn light brown, sealing in their juices. Pour in about 6 cups of chicken broth, bringing it to a gentle boil. Allow the chicken to simmer for around 15 to 20 minutes, ensuring it becomes tender and flavorful. This initial step is crucial for a rich and satisfying soup. Next, it is time to add the macaroni pasta to the simmering broth. Cook the pasta according to package directions, usually for about 7 to 10 minutes until it is al dente. Once the pasta is nearly done, pour in 1 cup of evaporated milk, stirring gently to combine. This adds a creamy richness that is characteristic of sopas. Finally, incorporate your chosen vegetables, such as carrots and cabbage, letting them cook until just tender crisp. To finish, season your sopas with salt and ground black pepper to taste, adjusting as needed for perfect balance. A dash of fish sauce can also enhance the savory notes. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and garnish with chopped green onions or a hard-boiled egg for an extra touch. Serve immediately, enjoying this warm and comforting meal with your loved ones. This classic Filipino dish is truly a hug in a bowl.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.